All right, so let's install these on the 2017 Buick Encore. All right, once you get the hood open, you'll see here, that is your main headlight. This is for brights. Come over here and show you how to access. So that's the circular panel that you twist off for your brights if you were to change those. I'm gonna be changing the running lights. So you twist this and it gives you access, and there's a rubber seal, right? Just make sure the headlight and the bulb are well secured right there. Okay, here's the bulb. If you turn, there, it's clear. It's not easy to get out. The plug is in the way. All right, so it's really difficult to get that thing out, but the best way to explain it is you need to twist it, and then this wire is very firm, so you kind of push it out too, but it's coming out. It's just not easy. Then we have to slide that plug off. Okay, I've got the LED bulb in. You want it to be vertical. And then it's a tight fit. You need to connect it first, then you tuck the circuitry down in there. Then you have to find the right position to insert it and then twist it so it locks in place. So it's not gonna be simple, but it's doable. And I was worried there'd be enough room to put the cap on, but you can tell there's still enough room, and the cap itself actually has a gap here too, so there should be plenty of room for it. Yep, perfect. All right, so I got one of them in. Let's see what it looks like. I'll show you the difference. Oh yeah, that's nice. I've got two things going on here. I've got I'm gonna turn this off. There you go. That's nice. Now what'll be interesting is when I turn the brights on, see if we can get this angle. Sorry for the beeping. Yeah, there. So it's kind of a blend. I'll shut that door. That's what the bright's on. You can see there's some orange there, but that's a bright LED. Makes a big difference. Okay, so here we are on the passenger side. We need to get to the running light here, and that one there's some decent access. We have some better luck opening this one. Okay, we're gonna twist it. Might need two hands. It's moving just slowly. I don't think it's ever been replaced. Okay, after multiple attempts, this one came out, and here we have access. That is really going to be tight. So again, we're going to have to twist it this way. Oh, that's actually easier. Let's see what I'm doing on this side. A little bit, you can see it's moving. So now that it's loose, you gotta kind of angle that wire out first. There we go. And just be careful not to touch the bulb because you don't want to ruin it. Okay, it's installed. You have to tuck all the wires in, but it's doable. Okay. Same thing, we want to take the cap and return it and screw it back on. Okay, you can see we have it as vertical as well on the passenger side. Now let's check it out here. All right, let's see if these can do good. I got them in the other car. So let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Here's the first level. Boom. Beautiful. Yeah, that is so much brighter. That yellow was so irritating. And you can zoom in on that. You can see the white hot LED up in there. It's a 2017 Buick. And you probably could do the same thing on some of the similar year models. They don't usually change them that much. But it really makes a nice big difference. To do a driving test, see what that looks like. Okay, you can see I'm the only one on the road here, and it really lights up the road on both sides. But it's not blinding. You can tell it's not, it doesn't do like the old school LED lights would scatter up and blind people. These are not. It just really nicely down below here. I'm going to turn the brights on, and you can see the yellow still from the bright lights. There's that yellow. So you can, that tells you that you're not overcasting the signal, if you will, of your headlights. That is so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to turn off the headlights. Turn it back on. There you go. That is a huge difference. So I've got these in my other car, and I was like, this is a 2017 Buick, which is even newer than my Vanagon. But they were, the headlights I noticed were really yellow. And a new car like this, it shouldn't have the super yellow lights, I'm sorry. So, there you go. Give these guys a thumbs up. I'll leave a link, and hope you like them. Hope this helps you guys. Bye.